Hey guys, it's Laura, your Cheeky Crafter, and today I wanted to show you some of the things I got from Echo Park's warehouse sale. They do this, I don't know how often, but it's a fairly regular thing. And so they do it where you can get like so many 6x6 pads. The more you buy, the more you save. 12x12, paper packs, all kinds of things. So I've ordered a bunch of stuff I'll be making throughout the summer. I've got the little Dreamer kit here. I've got some frames and tags for celebration. I bought a Christmas pack of paper. I've got another pack of paper here for Carta Bella's Botanical Gardens. These papers are gorgeous. That's the one I'm going to focus on today. But then here's also the set that I got for the pool party. It's got a 12x12 paper pack with stickers, a 6x6 pad, some frames, tags, ephemera, and some buttons and brads. But today I'm going to focus on the Carta Bella Botanical Gardens. So let's look at all the fun things I made with it. So here is the 6x6 paper pad. It's Carta Bella's Botanical Garden. And you can see that I've already taken the paper out of the pad because I've already completed all the projects. So this isn't me showing you how the projects are made. This is just showing you the end result of the projects. But I'm so excited to share it with you because these are just gorgeous. This paper is absolutely stunningly beautiful. So the first thing I did is I watched a video from MayMayMadeIt where she made this 6x6 folio. So I will put a link to her video instructions on how to make the folio in my description below. But this is my decorated folio using that paper pack. And it takes the majority of the paper pack because there are so many places in here for you to put photos. So first I've got this open. You can see, you can't really see, but there is a magnet closure in there. The magnet's under the paper. And that's something that I added myself. This just takes, the folio itself just takes 3 12x12 sheets of paper to make. And I would recommend like an 80-pound cardstock so that it's fairly thick. I actually use 65-pound here. It's a little flimsy. I wish I would have had some 80-pound cardstock in black. But you can see as I'm flipping through here all of the different places that you can put photos. And look how beautiful this paper is. Isn't it just lovely? My nephew just had a little baby girl, and I am so excited for them. So I made this with them in mind. I'm hoping that they'll take it and just fill it with pictures of her as she's newly arrived and growing. There's plenty of space here. Like I said, it took most of this pack of paper. I think I had about 6 sheets of the paper left when it was all said and done. But I am just tickled pink with this little folio. I hope that you enjoy looking at it as well. I also was able to make some cards with the leftover paper. So let me show you these cards that I made. Oh, sorry. Also, I covered the back of the folio. Let me show you some of these cards that I made. They're really cute too, I think, or really nice. So this is a sympathy card I made. And again, this is all from the scraps where I'd already cut some of the paper. Sometimes I still had full sheets. This is a happy birthday card. And I've just added in some die cuts and some stamps. That's obviously another happy birthday card. I had a friend request me to make her a few happy birthday cards. That's why you'll see these here. Another happy birthday. Well, it's your day. This could actually be used for something other than birthday, I would assume. Then what I did is I took, if you'll notice when you get a paper pad that's like this that has a hole in the top, you've got that little strip, maybe a ½ inch or so, that has a hole in it as well. So what I did is once I cut the paper that I need, I saved those strips. And then I just tape them to some white cardstock, line after line. And then I cut them out with tags or other die cuts, and then I use them on cards as well. So literally I'm using every inch of the paper, even the parts that you think aren't necessarily usable. So I just made these into tags, and then I turned the tags into cards. So there are the cards and everything that I have made. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thanks again.